Greetings, young scholars. Welcome to a journey exploring the critical habitats of endangered birds. Discover fascinating facts and help protect our feathered friends. Did you know that habitat loss is the #1 threat to birds? Protecting their homes is vital to ensure their survival for generations. The Amazon rainforest, vital for countless bird species, faces deforestation, threatening birds like the hyacinth macaw and the harpy eagle's homes. Mangrove forests, essential nurseries, are disappearing due to coastal development, endangering birds like the mangrove finch, found only on the Galapagos. Grasslands, home to ground nesting birds, are shrinking due to agriculture, impacting birds like the greater prairie chicken and its unique mating rituals. The Arctic tundra, breeding grounds for migratory birds, is threatened by climate change, impacting species like the spoon-billed sandpiper and its long journey. Coral reefs, supporting diverse marine life, face bleaching from warming waters, endangering seabirds dependent on reef ecosystems for food and nesting. Cloud forests, vital for unique bird species, are diminishing due to deforestation, impacting birds such as the resplendent quetzal of Central America. Thank you for learning about endangered bird habitats. Revisit for more fascinating avian adventures.